Okay, to create a Twetch account, the first thing you're going to do is go to moneybutton.com and click sign up. Go ahead and enter your name and your email address and create a password. Check the box to agree to the terms of service and click sign up. Choose your preferred currency. And the next thing that happens is you're going to get an email to verify. Go ahead and do that. And once you verify that account through your email, you can go ahead and log in, and then you get a little intro for moneybutton. And the first thing it's going to do is ask you to back up your money. This is going to give you a 12-word mnemonic. Write this down and don't cheat because it's going to tell you to enter it right back in. So at this point, you can go ahead and click your invite link, and that will bring you to the Twetch application. Click join to activate your account. Use your money button to continue on to Twetch. And then you're in. You accept the terms and conditions, create your profile name, and you are ready to start twetching. Little advice, be creative on that first post. You'll get some love right out of the gate and make a little money. Thank you guys for watching and enjoy Twetch.